very much.
Yes, and to the candidates, thank you so much. You may prepare yourself for the next segment, the hottest swimsuit and swimwear competition. But before that, papainitin lang natin dahil nag-iinit na tayong lahat. So at tulad ng sabi namin ni Kimi, we'd like to say thank you once again to all our generous sponsors.
Ayan, that is the first set of sponsors award. So later on, MJ, we will be giving our second set of awards. Talaga naman, umuulan na mga premyo para sa ating mga kandidato-kandidata. First, yung ating binidarakan.
Yes, Kimi, you're correct. At talagang nakaka-excite ang gabing ito para po sa lahat ng ating mga contestant. Most especially to all the supporters of our candidates. Kaya naman, isang malakas ang palakpakan na may iyawan mula sa mga supporters ng ating candidates! Yes!
Taon-taon ang energy ng Barangay Darangan, hindi yan nawawala. Kaya tanong natin, for Ginoo, ano pong number ang gusto nyo? Ano pong number?
We have 6, our Hawk Award. We have candidate number 7. Yeah, we have number 10. Iba-iba sila ng mga sinusuportahan Kimi. But for the meantime, let's all watch this video. Alright, once again, thank you so much. Palapalan po natin ang lahat ng ating mga sponsors for tonight's pageant. And with that, let us all hear a special message coming from the overall director of the Ginoon Binibining Darangan 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present to you Mr. Mark Angelo Lirio.
Ayan po, isang mainit na gabi po sa ating lahat, Barangay Darangan! Walang ingay, isang mainit na gabi po, Barangay Darangan! Ayan, ang bumubuo po ng Ginoo at Binibining Darangan ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa pamunuan ng Sangguniang Kabataan. Sa pamumuna po ng ating SK Chairwoman Rosel Margaret Godoy at kanyang council, SK Kagawad Ray Edward Mendoza, SK Kagawad Princess Paglibare, SK Kagawad Kyle Pastor Pide, SK Kagawad Ariel Dirianya, and SK Kagawad Jamie, and SK Kagawad Jericho Losada, at sa kanilang SK Secretary Clement Anolongo and SK Treasurer JM Apostadero. Ganun din po ang taus-pusong pasasalamat po sa pagmamahal ng Sangguniang Barangay ng Darangan sa pamumuno po ng ating mahal na kapitan, Kagalang-galang Longino Oji Del Mundo. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Ganun din po ang bumubuo ng Sangguniang Barangay ng Darangan, mga kagawad. Maraming salamat po. Ganun din po ang aking paus-pusong pasalamat sa lahat ng taong nagbahagi ng kanilang tulong upang mas mapaganda, mas maging kaabang-abang ang Ginoo at Binibining Darangan 2025. Ang aming pong pasalamat din sa aking mga hurado na nagmula po sa iba't ibang lugar. Ayan po, andyan po ang aking kaibigan, ang international sash maker po. Ayan, John Kevin Jelly, Miss Eunice Ballestero, Mr. Edward Pande, Miss Jewel Pasangkay, at ang aking minamahal, Tita Aya Lozada, ang General, ang vocal person ng Municipality of Binangonan. Muli po, taon-taon po natin inaabangan ng Ginoo at Binibining Darangan. Ito po ay tuloy-tuloy sa patuloy na pagbibigay tulong ng Sangguniang Kabataan. Hindi po namin ito magagawa kung wala ang Sangguniang Kabataan. Sila po ang puno upang may sa katuparan ang patimpalak na ito. Sa lahat po ng mga kandidato sa likod, ngayon pa lamang po, ibinabati ko na kayo ng advance congratulations. Lahat kayo ay deserve na manalo. Hindi man kayo palali ng ilan sa inyo, ay pinakita nyo ang inyong angking kagalingan at kagalingan bilang isang kabataang Daranggenyos. Muli, sa lahat ng aming mga kabarangay, happy fiesta and magandang gabi. Enjoy the night. God bless everyone.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. Mark Angelo Chanlocrio, for the wonderful message and giving gratitude to all the people behind the success of Yearly Ginoo at Binibining Darangan. And we're so happy po na even me is part of this pageant. Half of my life po ako nag-host. This is my 20th year hosting this pageant. Piling po ako nagpapaalam na kay Jalo, pero ayaw niyang pumayag. So, sana next year iba na ang mag-host, no? Isawa na ako, gusto ba nang matulog ng mga And with that, I know all of you are excited to see once again our candidates, our Ginoo at Binibining Darangan, to test, of course, their to test their pressure. Syempre, while answering or giving opinion to the hashtag that they're going to pick. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back my partner, the very beautiful at mahal na mahal ang Barangay Darangan, Miss Kimi Mora, together with our Ginoo of Darangan 2025.
Ibubuhos ang pinaghihirapan ng kinonggaling sa nanakahali. Di magmalaki kung gano'n kagaling. Binibini at Ginoong Darangan, kita nyo ang inyong talento. Inyong makisigan at pagkagalahan. Katala mo ang makahatid ng kamalan. Ngunit ako ay nakasalala sa inyong galing na walang kapunay, walang kapunay.
Alright, thank you very much, MJ. And once again, I would like to say thank you very much also to Jalo or Mark Arja Delirio for taon-taon na pag-invite sa amin ni MJ to host this event. Maraming salamat. And of course, I would like to congratulate our SK Council and Barangay Council for having this kind of activity for Barangay Darangan. And as mentioned ni MJ kanina, we have now reached on one of the most awaited part of the competition, which is the hashtag round. This is where the ability of our candidates or our Ginoo candidates will be tested, and their ability to share their thoughts on the given hashtag na appear on our screen. Ayan. And balita ko, guys, listen, you have no time limit for this round. Tama po ba? Ayan. You can share or explain this hashtag. Hindi mo masyadong mahaba. Alright? Alright, so again, are you ready, guys? Let's start with our Ginoo number 1. Ayan, are you ready? Again, the hashtag will appear on our screen. Oh, alright. Meron palang pipi. Meron palang kukunin. Ayan, nasa fishbowl pala. Pwedeng pa-help. Alright, so our candidates will choose a number na narito po sa loob ng fishbowl and the hashtag will appear on our stage. And the hashtag or the number you pick is number 2. Hashtag number 2. And the hashtag is child labor. Child labor. Okay? Okay ka lang? Alright, so the mic is yours. Your timer starts now.